Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video I have the Saab 95. This is a 2006 model, the 2.5 petrol automatic, and I'm just going to show you the location of the fuse boxes in this car, and also a box of relays. So in this car there is two main fuse boxes from what I can see in the manual here. One of them is the fuse panel there's a fuse panel in the instrument panel, so where the instruments are, we'll have a look at that in a second. Fuse box under the bonnet, and then we have the Maxi fuses under the bonnet. Now the Maxi fuses, if you read your manual, it says the Maxi fuses are housed in the fuse box under the bonnet. These fuses can be checked in the same way as the other fuses. The Maxi fuses are designed to protect the car's electrical system from being damaged. So each Maxi fuse protects a number of electrical circuits and functions, and therefore has a higher rating amperage than the standard fuses. No spare fuses of this type are supplied with the car. So those are quite large fuses. A normal fuse would look like that. You can see the little filament inside, and the blown fuse looks like that, where the filament there is broken. Right, and then in this other page, it shows you the allocations for the fuses. So I'm gonna add pictures of these, of the whole thing, at the end of the video, and you can refer to the pictures. But basically we have the allocations here for this is for the fuse box inside of the car next to the instrument panel, and there are some more here. And also there is this relay box, so this box of relays, and also it does give you a list of what the relays are for, and I'm gonna show you that as well. And last but not least, so there's a few more in there, but then we have the fuse box under the bonnet and the relevant fuses there, and there are some relays there as well. So there's nothing else but after that. So let's have a look at the fuses inside of the car. So panel here, this is driver side, this is in the UK. If you pull that cover, then you will see the fuses in there. And the drawing here basically refers to, and what is this here? This is I think this is the little key for pulling fuses. Anyway, that drawing there, it sort of reflects what is here. The diagram is shown in that position as well. In this other page, it shows you the number of the fuses. So starting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you even have what, A, B, C there. Oops. And 6B, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. So starting up here, going from right to left. So fuse number 6 here. Fuse number 6, it's a 30 amp fuse which controls electric windows, right side, charging and trailer. So if you were looking for that specific fuse, that would be this one here, the 30 amp fuse, that would be number 6 there, and so on. Now this relay box here, it's located by the footwell, so underneath it says relay panel under instrument panel. So you would have to pull this cover down. This cover is held up here with 3 Torx screws, these little Torx screws, which I removed. They are T20s. Once you bring this cover down, if you look inside of here, so I'm just gonna show you, you're gonna have all these connections here, and there's gonna be a Torx screw in there. You would need to remove that Torx. It's like a, again, T20, T25. Remove it, and then you can pull these down, and it reveals the relays. And that's where you can find those relays. And of course, again, you have a list here of relays, and you have what they are for. And again, last but not least, we're gonna have a look at the fuses under the bonnet. The relays, there's fuses, same idea. You can see the allocations here. They're all numbered in there. So you can refer to the numbers and the relays. And we're gonna have a look at what is mentioned here about the Maxi fuses. These are the Maxi fuses here. So get your bonnet open. If we come to this side of the engine, if we take this cover out, you will find some relays and some fuses there. Now you can see that there's some empty relay spaces, or even some empty fuse slot spaces. That doesn't mean your fuses are missing or your relays are missing. It just means that whatever system these other relays cover, or these fuses, are not fitted to this particular model. So if this was a diesel car, maybe it will have a relay there or whatever, and then the petrol version would be missing one of these or whatever. That's the idea. Again, there's another little fuse puller here, the little kit. That's for getting fuses out, like so, and taking it out. Not gonna take fuses out because I don't need to. And that is that. And then we have those Maxi fuses, which are sitting under this battery cover. So the battery is sitting right here, and the Maxi fuses are here, 60 amp fuses, quite large. And that's pretty much it, really. So having said that, I hope the video helps. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe. See you all in the next video. Thank you for watching.